See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
Oh boy, there is fire on the mountain. Run, run, run. Fire on the mountain. Run, run. Eh, there is fire. There is fire on the mountain. Fire on the mountain. This one where article go use the handle. To it today say, I beg, peace, peace. Because the peace where they look for go benefit her more than Peter Obi. He said peace. Peace. Me they know the quarrel. Say this quarrel one of the quarrel. My supporters and Peter Obi supporters. It go benefit APC more. Say I beg you. Me there. Because you know say Peter Obi no fit defeat am for primary. House where you build. Our person where come enter the house go come defeat you for the house. It's not possible. Say peace. Make I show you. As you can see, now he tweet am, no be me. With the handle. Now this guy, now he tweet. He call respond. We will see what he tweet and the response. This what this guy tweeted. He said, Article people want to insult Peter Obi without Article getting the hit back. Maybe they feel Article deserves respect and Peter Obi does not. Now Article call you the hand say, Dear Everest, anyone who insults Obi or Article do not mean well for the leaders, the coalition, ADC, and for Nigeria and Nigeria. Anybody where they insult Obi or Atiku, you know me well for the leaders. Okay. You know me well for the coalition. You know me well for Nigeria as a country. You know me well for the people where they inside Nigeria. The only persons who benefit from such a civil war are APC Oba bandits who wants to maintain the satanic status quo. We are better together. There is fire on the mountain. But we see responses. With due respect, sir, I honestly don't see why APC should be dragged into this matter at all. The obedient movement, regardless of who you are or what you represent, especially someone coming from the north, you will not earn their support. Their loyalty is fixed. Their support is reserved for one person only, Peter Obi. Ali dot tweet, possibly Atiku supporter. This person said, Dear Atiku, definitely Obi supporter. I am making a special appeal to you, sir, to halt your presidential ambition temporarily, which you are very well entitled to, in support of Obi in the coming 2027 elections, to kick out the APC Oba bandits. As you rightly described them, out of power. God bless you. Now, the seat that they battle for so. Make I ask you one question. They never even enter Aso Rock. This glass would be. If Obi call support Atiku, say, for instance, I know say no dey possible. Atiku call defeat Jagaban. You won't tell me say as they build house for Shetima for outside Aso Rock, they no go build new house for Obi behind Gwagwalada or behind Kuje. This war, somebody's already be offended. Atiku. See they call win, call enter Aso Rock. If you ever hear Obi Kweke, Atiku will be say he dey ruthless. Oladipupo, he dey reply to this guy. He said, Daniel Iyang, democracy loses its ethics. When someone is being coerced into relinquishing his constitutionally guaranteed right, I can bet it with you that the ADC Araki will choose the best candidate for 2027. So relax. And that best candidate, we know how primaries they work. This one said, what is special about Obi? Jamil. Oh boy. This one said, this Baba is desperate, referring to Atiku. The battle between them and the for you so. Oh, don't waste your grammar on top of his head. He's talking to this guy. Say, I beg no waste your grammar. Atiku is desperate. Even though say, be not at all. This one, Atiku supporter, referring to Iyang, say, silly you for telling Atiku to drop his ambition. No, say not. They need his power. Like say tomorrow, no day. No, say our only business now also rock. This one said, making a special appeal. As per, who are you? Who are you? Daniel Iyang. Their menu now battle. This one replied to Atiku directly. Like, really? This is how low you want to go? Such a shame. This one said, comment it so I can come back to screenshot where you delete this tweet. Referring to Deborah, where they buy. Atiku first, called them out, called delete them. This one said, step down or support the yoga leaders in the coalition. I set your name in history for life as the greatest Nigerian modern political godfather. You'll be 81 years old in 2027. Definitely Obi supporter. Okay? This one is SLS Atiku Abubakar is a great leader for tweeting that we are expecting, we on Atiku side, we are expecting the same energy from you, Peter Obi, to also calm the nerves. And just make a read some more. There is fire on the mountain, fire on the mountain, fire on the mountain. Between these, if I read them, okay, make I go check some again. This one came out today. Peter Obi can only be ADC's presidential candidate if Atiku steps down. Ado. That is the only way. People also reply to this. This one said he agreed to step down. As that change now, meaning Atiku agreed to step down. I don't know where they get this. They say Atiku promised to step down. I've been seeing this type of comments. Atiku step down for who? This one said he has agreed before now to step down, but it seems they are changing the trajectory. I don't know when they discuss that one. Or they use this thing. Taylor will become inside EDC. Who's a politician? We need to know our time. Atiku Abubakar can't be trusted. Allegedly, it seems money has exchanged hands in UAE between him and President Bola Tinubu. Okay? The more idiots like you continue to insult Atiku, that is Adeniyi Biwaziri, for carrying out, he's talking to this guy, that is this guy. The more idiots like you continue to insult Atiku for carrying out his constitutional obligation, the more you are putting your region in tight corner with the north. Ibesa, and foolish people like you are doing more damage to Peter Obi than you think you are doing to Ariiko for telling Atiku to step down. Now they don't come up, they say they don't get replacement. Like this guy, Ma Adamu. See the face where he bring. He said, I don't zoom out here. So you can see. More sense, more reliable, more focus, more humble than Peter Obi. 100 Peter Obi is equal to 1 Chukwuemeka Wajuba. See, so why am I bringing this one? To show you, say, no be only Peter Obi people. They release fire. They release fire too. So you can see, Anthony Peters. ADC, give us Atiku or Wajuba. But certainly not Peter Obi. See, so I will vote Wajuba and Igbo man over Obi 1 trillion times because it's truth or lie Obi that is a complete lie and a repackaged fraud. This one said, spot on, my comrade, referring to the tweet of Ma Adamu. Say, spot on. Now Ma Adamu reply, say, yes sir. They don't come out with a new design now. This one, Atiku supporter say, yes so. Atiku Wajuba, since we don't want to make Obi become the VP, we don't bring Wajuba. Ma Adamu said, without hesitation, let Peter Obi go back to Labour Party and leave us alone. Although all these tweets no be today. That one particular not today are those replies. But this one you see so now the fire where they build up since. Like this guy now, he tweeted this 8th of December. Now everyone say, yes, Kakam, say, Obi go back to where you are coming from. This guy, Atiku supporter, show me for channels, he talk say, Obi no go get that strength where he get for 2023. Play Obi down where. Now this Atiku supporter, go big and come put laugh emoji. Anyone reply say, you lots are putting all your energy trying to put Peter Obi down instead of using same energy to market Atiku. Now, what is the difference between you all and the APC supporters? We will see how it all end. Look, we stop here. The fire. They never enter Soroko. They go build DP Villa for Nyanya. Obi. No be the one we say they build for Shetima so. Won't know they hear anything. They'll go build down far. It be inside the Kefi. For me, Obi made the wrong decision to even enter ADC. They go reduce. What do you think? Drop out for comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.